guys.
So guys, this is our hotel in Thailand. We are in Phuket and it's the Patong Resort, one of the most known resorts of the Phuket, and I would say one of the best resorts where we have the best Indian cuisine. So as you can see, the hotel room, it's very luxurious room with very nice facilities. Everything's been provided in the room, including water and all, which you don't have to buy. So my daughter is having fun, and so that's the bathroom. As you can see, all the amenities are well given, everything including the bathtub, and we are having fun at Thailand. So, and that's the attached balcony to the room. So it's a city view room. So as you can see, complete main road of the Patong area, and the road leads to the Patong beach, and we have direct access to Patong beach from this road and from the hotel as well.